Why was the material created? For Krita, for the sake of pastimes. This is the pastime place, Mahavishnu's lilas tali, the material world. He creates this material creation and glances at the creation and enters into the creation, every universe as Shirodakshaya Vishnu, and enters into the heart of every jiva who is expanded from his glance, the tasta jivas, Jiva Shakti. And he's sitting there side by side waiting to engage in pastimes with all the living entities. This is a very interesting concept about which Vindhyavali is mentioning here. Bali Maharaj's intelligent wife. Kritartam Atmanamidam Tri Jagat Kritam. O Lord Vamadev, Lord Vishnu, Lord Narayan, this material creation, you have created the entire universe for the enjoyment of your personal pastimes. And often people suffering in the material world, they say, why am I here? What is this? Well, it's Leela, it's Shrishti Leela, the creation Leela.